Hello YouTube, welcome back to another episode. I'm Steven, the Scale Model Car Chief. In this episode we're going to be doing the unboxing of Jimmy Flintstone's 1961 Ford Econoline van. So let's go ahead and get ready to get it out of the box and see what we have to work with. I have an idea for this build. I've had it kicking around in my mind for a while. I just love TV and movie cars, and this body, fit a rendition I have in mind of famous, or what I think is a famous TV car or vehicle. So when I saw it, and I said, let me get this. And it was on eBay, and I've heard a lot of good things about Jimmy Flintstone's castings and his work, so I said, well, let me give it a try. This is rosin casting. It's not 3D printed. So let's get everything out of the way here and see what we're working with. I plan on building this as a curbside, so I'm going to try some different techniques with my build process, and I'll do some tutorials along the way to help maybe other builders out in the modeling community. Alright, so the first thing I see is, I got a little body flex there. I don't think that's going to be an issue to deal with. I'll just heat it up with some warm water or a hairdryer. I don't have a lot of hair to use a hairdryer, but I have my wife's, so that'll come in handy. I guess I should get one for modeling, but she's a model in my eyes, so I love it, and she'll let me use it when I need it. I think I could just warm up the rosin and hold it in place or tape it in place while it sets up and cools off. The big thing is the detail looks crisp. The door lines, the roof panel, everything's looking good. A little bit of flash to deal with, but that's expected. Again, I'm going to be building this as a curbside, but this is the parts that came with the kit. So we'll go ahead and look at these, get them out of the bag here in just a second and see what we're working with. Again, this will be a curbside, so I have some ideas in mind, and I just want to try some different techniques, with my build. I'm going to say this is going to be a resourceful build. I have my idea, so stay tuned, and I'll cover everything in upcoming videos that I'm going to do here. So we have headlight grills and interior dash assembly. Looks like some hubcaps. Let me get my scissors and cut it on open. As I'm doing this, I want to thank everybody in the YouTube model building community for your support or continued support and subscriptions. It means a lot to me. Here's a good look at what appears to be the front bumper. Good detail there. A little bit of flash, That's nice. We get 4 sets of headlight and grille surrounds. I guess if one breaks or you mess something up, it gives you spares, so that's pretty nice. And here's the dashboard assembly. Very detailed. I'll give credit where credit's due. It looks nice. Fan and heater box. Set that aside. Let's see. This is, it's the hubcaps. All right, they got the Ford lettering on it. Let me see if I can get that to focus in. Kind of hard to see, but there is Ford lettering on it. So that's really neat touch. I don't think I'm going to be using those, but it's still a neat touch. All right, rear bumper with license plate and step-in bracket area. The details are there, even all the way down to the bumper bolts, or the bumper bolt heads, I guess I should say. Not sure. More hubcaps. A lot of hubcaps, so we got 6 hubcaps. Not sure what these are. Maybe bumperettes. Oh, no, door handles. All right, that's neat. They look very delicate. See if you can get a good view of that here. Yeah, that's what they look like as door handles. Hopefully that's transitioning well to the camera so you can see it. And again, at the end of this video, I'll have my idea to give you a heads up on my build. Again, some more door handles, so we got plenty of those. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we should have 6 door handles. Try to get up these brake lights. All right, yeah. Cast in what appears to be a red rosin. So those look nice. Ooh. Got my butter fingers, drop everything. All right, so there. Body's good and thick. It's a good heavy weight, with some cleaning of the flash. I think this is going to be a great build. Yeah, I love the detail. Just have to deal with that little bit of body flex there. Good clean lines. So here's the inspiration for my build. Mystery Inc., the Mystery Machine. From Scooby-Doo. Well, thank you for tuning in and watching this episode of Scale Model Car Chief. I hope each and every one of you have a safe and blessed day. We'll see you on the next update and tutorial. Take care.